Hi, this is Jerry Hesch again. I have a device. I put it sideways on my bench in my garage. And this is one of those height devices made by a company called SECA. And so having applied it horizontally, it seems to me to be ideal for measuring the excursion of a client's pelvis in side glide. And so I'm going to ask Steve to do that. And what I would like you to do is, we have a piece of wood there, so I wonder if you could lean against the piece of wood with your toes and keep your feet together. Can you do that? Mm-hmm. Okay. And then I'm going to measure. I want you to go to the left as far as you can, and then I'm going to just have you stay there about 15 seconds just to make sure we've used up all the movement. And it's okay for you to bend to the right side also. Okay. Let's make that part of it. And so I am at my end range. My end range of being comfortable with that movement. Okay? So hang on, let me measure our starting point. And so it doesn't matter if the starting point is different each time. And you are at 178 and 1.2 millimeters. Okay, so we are at 178. 178. Okay, so go ahead and shift over to the left as far as you can. And of course the primary movement is side glide, but of course there's other movements that occur with that. But I think that as long as we maintain the same testing position, and so does it feel like you've used up most of the movement there? Mm-hmm. Very good. And this is just our crudest measurement, so let me come out of there, and you are at 190. Okay? Mm-hmm. So now we're going to do the same thing with you turned around. And let's see if you can bring your heels back a little bit against the board. Drop that heel down. Go forward 1/4 inch. And then just slide back slowly. You're about a 1/2 inch in front of it. Right there, right there. The other one. Slide back. Perfect. Can you feel it? Mm-hmm. Okay. So this is right on 175. Okay. So go ahead and then slide over. And use up as much movement as you can. Feels like you're at your end range of side glide and of side bending. Yeah. It doesn't look to me like it's moving. I mean, it's maybe a real small amount. I think it's fair to measure that at this point. And your foot positioning is very similar. So go ahead and come out of there. So that one is right in the middle. It's 182.5. Alrighty, well, we'll do the math later on. I think it's an interesting device. I'd like to do it 3 times and then see if, see if the averages work. Mm-hmm. Maybe it's a good tool, maybe it's a bad tool, maybe it's mediocre, but it's something. Yeah. No. And I'll stop right now. Thanks very much.
Thank you.